This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. Do not use the telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. There have been a nuclear warhead reported currently headed for your area.
Hello, old chum. I'm Gnotta Gnolf. I'm Gnotta Gnoblin. I'm a gnome, and you've been... No!